Hello children, you are welcome to class. Today we'll be relating manipulative representation to the addition algorithm. We'll be continuing with what we did in our last lesson. Alright, here's an application problem. The table to the right represents the half-time scores at the basketball game. The red team scored 19 points in the second half. The yellow team scored 30 points in the second half. Who won the game? By how much did that team win? Now, the table at the right represents the half-time score. That is for the first half. Red team scored 63 and the yellow team scored 71. And we were told that in the second half, the red team scored 19 points. So the total score of the red team is 63 plus 19, which is 82 points. And the total score of the yellow team is 71 plus 13 points, which is 84 points. So now, from our calculation, the yellow team won the game. And the yellow team won the game by how much? It won the game by 2 extra points. Alright, making the next step to add. When I say 9 plus 4, you say 10 plus 3. So our aim is to make that 9, which is close to 10, exactly 10. A multiple of 10. 9 plus 4, you say 10 plus 3. 19 plus 4, you will say 20 plus 3. 9 plus 6, you will say 10 plus 5. What about 19 plus 6? I know you can do that. It is 20 plus 5. Alright, add common units. Say the number in unit form. The number before us is 545. So let's say it in unit form. This is 500, 14, and 5 ones. So 545 plus 232 is 777. So let's say the answer now in unit form. This is 700, 710, and 7 ones. Alright, the same way, let's say the answer of this expression now in unit form. 665 in unit form is 600, 6 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, let's say the answer now in unit form. This is, I know you can do this. Alright, 9 tens, yes, 900 rather, 900, 3 tens, and 6 ones. Alright, answer the question, give the number sentence in unit form and then in standard form. Before us is, what is 3 tens more than 6 tens? This simply means we are going to add 3 tens to 6 tens because it says 3 tens more. So 6 tens plus 3 tens is 9 tens. And 9 tens in standard form is 90. Alright, 4 tens more than 6 tens. So we're adding 4 tens to 6 tens. That is 6 tens plus 4 tens is equals to 10 tens. And what is 10 tens in standard form? 10 tens is 100. What is 4 tens more than 6 tens? 3 ones. 6 tens, 3 ones. Therefore, 6 tens, 3 ones plus 4 tens will give us 10 tens, 3 ones. 6 tens go with the 4 tens and the 3 ones remain the same. So 6 tens 3 ones plus 4 tens is 10 tens 3 ones. And what is 10 tens 3 ones? 10 tens 3 ones in standard form is 103. Okay, 5 tens plus 5 tens is what? 10 tens. From our question, what is 5 tens more than 5 tens? So that is why we added 5 tens plus 5 tens, which is 10 tens. 10 tens, as we said before, we did earlier, is 100. Alright, let's solve this problem mentally. That might not be the easiest way for all of us. Is there another way? Yes. We can solve this problem mentally because it may be difficult to solve mentally because it have to do with carrying numbers over to the other units. For example, 7 ones plus 5 ones, it gives you 12 ones. So we have to put down the remaining 2 ones and the remaining 10, take it to the 10 side. So we take 1 to the 10 side. So 110 plus 210 plus 810 will give us 1110. And since we can't put that down, we put down 1, just 110. The remaining part, which is 100, take it to the 100 side. So we now have 100 plus 400 plus 300. That will give us 800. So therefore, 427 plus 385 is 812. So it will be more easier to solve this in a vertical form or any other form. But to solve this mentally may not be that easy. Alright, the same question. We are solving it using our place value disk. In addition, you have to represent the 2 numbers in the chart. The 2 numbers have been represented in the chart. And now let's go to the one side. In the one side, we bundled 10 ones and we took it to the 10 side, left with 2 ones. Then in the 10 side, we bundle another 10 because 10 mean 100, and we take it to the 100 side, left with what? 110. So how many 100 do we have? We now have 800. So 427 plus 385 is 812. All right. Can we solve this mentally? It may not be easy to solve mentally because it's not just addition of common units. So therefore, 2 ones plus 9 ones will give us 11 ones. So therefore, we can't put down the 11 ones. We have to put down 1, and the 10 remaining 110, we take it to the 10 side. So we now have 110 plus 710 plus 410. That will give us 1210. We can't put down the whole 1210. We put down just 210 and take the remaining toward 100. The remaining one we present 100. We take it to the 100 side. So we now have 100, 6 tens, 100 plus 600 plus 200. That will give us 900. So 672 plus 249 is 921. Hello children, with this you can discover there are some problems you can't solve mentally. You have to use your strategies like your place value chart, place value disk, your vertical form, etc. If you use those methods, it will be easier for you to get your answer. Hello children, with this we come to the end of the class. Have a nice time. Bye.